Cordyceps might look weird, but the health benefits they serve are unbelievable. Keep watching to learn more about this functional fungus, including the cordyceps benefits, dosage, side effects, and more coming up next. Unlike other functional medicinal mushrooms, cordyceps don't even look a little bit like the mushrooms you're used to in your kitchen or you find in your grocery store. In fact, you'll not find them anywhere unless you live in the grassland. That's most likely not the case, but these mushrooms are found in luxurious grasslands of the Himalayas and hence are sometimes known as Himalayan gold. Tibetan medicines and ancient healers have used cordyceps fungus to treat a variety of health ailments for centuries. This functional fungus has been used for the treatment of numerous health problems, ranging from mild cold and fever to chronic cancer. In fact, the benefits and usage of cordyceps were first discovered by the local healers who noticed their cattle growing more muscular and healthier after eating the wild mushroom. So what makes cordyceps shine? The answer is they're a functional fungus that attaches itself to a kind of caterpillar and eats it. Although traditional healers believe that cordyceps could be effective in treating almost all kinds of illnesses, modern studies have found some of the best ways cordyceps may be beneficial for you, and we're gonna go over all of them right now. Top 6 benefits of cordyceps. Number 1, immune system. Just like other functional mushrooms, cordyceps are very beneficial for the immune system. It revives the immune system by boosting the activity of white blood cells. Specifically, the natural killer cells would protect our body from foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. A recent research study has shown that cordyceps boost the level of these protective cells by 74%. Cordyceps also contain several polysaccharides that play an important role in boosting the defensive power of our immune system as a whole. Number 2, respiratory system. Recognized by local healers of Tibet, cordyceps have been found to boost the capacity of human cells to absorb oxygen in a better way. In ancient times, it was used by herders when they were heading on high altitude hikes where the oxygen supply is limited. This property of cordyceps keeps the lungs working and makes it easier for individuals to breathe. In general, it improves respiratory function. Studies have even shown this fungus to be very useful for respiratory issues like asthma, coughs, bronchitis, and even emphysema. Number 3, boosts athletic performance. Cordyceps' property of enabling the cells to utilize oxygen resulting in enhanced athletic performance. The benefit was first seen at the Chinese National Games in 1983. Where the women's team broke a total of 9 world records by a huge margin. The administrative authorities suspected that some drugs had been used by the women's track and field team that helped them win by such a huge margin. However, it was later admitted by their coach that the secret was not some drug, but cordyceps he had given the players. Recent studies have confirmed that the usage of this fungus enhances the cellular ATP levels, which is the molecule that's responsible for releasing energy into the cell. Not just that, it is also believed to help in muscle recovery. Number 4, promotes longevity. Cordyceps increase the action of antioxidants, particularly the superoxide dismutase. This powerful antioxidant fights free radicals and flushes out other toxins from our bodies that are responsible for degenerative diseases and premature aging. Number 5, enhances liver and kidney health. Cordyceps support the liver by boosting its function. Recent studies have shown that it brings the liver enzymes to an equilibrium and can also retard cirrhosis and inhibit different kinds of fatty liver disease. There's one research experiment consisting of 22 patients suffering from post-hepatic cirrhosis. After having 6 to 9 grams of cordyceps each day for a period of 3 months, all the patients had a significantly improved liver enzymes. Furthermore, renal function has also been dramatically improved after regular dosages of cordyceps. Number 6, sexual health. Cordyceps are also known as the Sexual Potentiator and Himalayan Viagra. This fungus increases the release of testosterone by improving the blood circulation. This in return enhances sexual abilities of an individual. It boosts erectile function, stamina, and virility. Studies have also shown that cordyceps are very beneficial for women in menopause period because it helps regulate hormones like estrogen and testosterone. So these were some of the amazing health benefits of cordyceps fungus. However, just like any other health supplement, it also has some side effects if consumed in the wrong ways. Let's discuss these as well. When not to consume cordyceps. While no major side effects have been shown by cordyceps, certain situations do not support the consumption of this functional fungus. Minor side effects. When consuming directly, it might cause minor side effects such as constipation, diarrhea, and abdominal discomfort. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Although not enough information shows whether or not cordyceps are safe for pregnant and breastfeeding women, it should be avoided altogether to stay on the safe side. Autoimmune diseases. When consumed directly by mouth, cordyceps might enhance the action of the immune system dramatically, which in turn can increase the symptoms of autoimmune diseases. If you're suffering from issues such as lupus, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, etc., avoid using these natural drugs. Bleeding disorders. Cordyceps might result in slow blood clotting. It may also increase bleeding in individuals suffering from bleeding disorders. So it's better to avoid using in such conditions. For a similar reason, it shouldn't be given to a person who's planning to have surgery. Ideally, its dosage would be stopped 2 weeks before any surgery. Okay, let's learn how to use cordyceps. Due to lack of human studies, there's no defined agreement on the dosage of cordyceps. However, the research studies consisting of humans have used around 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams per day. This range has not resulted in any kind of major side effects and is considered to be safe. Further, if you're planning to use the cordyceps supplements, make sure to consult your doctor before using it. Also, don't exceed the recommended dosage and avoid using it altogether if you're suffering from any of the previously mentioned conditions. Overall, these mushrooms are unbelievable. Cordyceps are a functional mushroom and simply a wild mushroom that's been used for treating a variety of health ailments for centuries. It's found in the Himalayan grasslands in Tibet, and hence it's quite expensive. Research studies have found it to be a miraculous natural drug that can help the human body in several ways. We have put together all the advantages as well as the risk in hopes that this information helps you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos each and every week to help all of us stay in the best health possible. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay curious, and as always, have a beautiful day.